So may pinaresize akong ring. 3 beses na akong nagpa-resize ng ring dito sa jewelry store na pinaresizean ko ng ring. So I think it's been 9 days already that I went to the store and resized my ring, and they haven't called me back yet. So I'm thinking I work tomorrow, maybe on my lunch break, I'm gonna call them and then ask if my ring is ready to pick up, because I haven't paid it yet. The owner said that I can pay it later when it's already resized or something. So tomorrow I'm gonna try to call them and ask if my ring is ready to pick up. And I can't go tomorrow because I work kind of like mid-shift. I go home at 7 p.m. so there's no way to pick it up tomorrow, but I'm gonna call them tomorrow.